Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, during this video we are going to watch how to apply a tourist visa to as Australia from inside Australia. I mean to say extend your stay as a tourist or as a visitor in Australia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, the very first thing you need to do is to log in into your IMMI account, and then you come here. You are in Australia on a tourist visa. You have been granted a certain duration. It could be generally 3 months, but in certain circumstances it could be up to 12 months too. Whatever it has been granted to you, you want to extend. So how you are going to do it? Log in into your IMMI account. Again, I have already said, so I won't say that again. So you go to visitor visa. It's always better to read terms condition. Uh, is the applicant currently is outside Australia? If you select no, then give details of request for further stay. Means you are in Australia, so further stay. So you want to, let's say, extend by 2 months. So I select up to 3 months. Sorry. If the request of further stay will result in more than 12 months on certain visitor visa, they must demonstrate that they have exceptional reasons. Okay, wow. So let's say X requested end date. So I will do July 5, for example. Okay. And let's see how it goes there. Reason for further stay. So you need to provide like very good reason. Okay. I'm just doing this, but because it varies case by case, but you need to provide very good reason. Passport details. Okay. Family name. This is just sample, guys. Passport number. This is just sample. Country of passport, India. Nationality of passport holder, India. Date of issue. You can just check it, your passport and put this. You don't have to do it like this. And be very careful what you enter. A lot of people do minor mistakes and then struggle a lot. Place of issue. Read your passport and then do you have a national identity card? Yes, as per your case. So I'll just put some sample. John identification number. So yeah, like you need to do. Let me just pick up some sample Aadhaar card number if that gets accepted. Anyway, whatever I do, they will accept it. But I just want to do something that looks more legitimate. So let's see. Just I'm putting a sample, okay? Uh, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 digits, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Country of issue. You need to do as per your case. Date of issue. Confirm. Wow, this time it got accepted without any warning. So place of birth, New Delhi. Just sample state. It's gonna be Delhi, India, relationship status. I select never married. Other names, have you used any other name? Citizenship, India, any other country not possible because India does not allow dual citizenship. You have to previously travel to Australia, yes, because you are in Australia means you have traveled. Previously applied for a visa to Australia, yes, because you are in Australia, so you have applied for a visa. Have an Australian visa grant number. If known, okay. I'm skipping it, but definitely you need to provide because they will find it out anyway. Other passports, I select no. Other ID documents, I select no. Health examination in last 12 months, I select yes. Then it will ask for details. I'm just writing this, but you provide details. HAP ID, so provide that. Details correct, I select yes. Cannot be verified. Confirm. Traveling companion. Each person traveling to Australia must submit a separate visa application. This sample, so that's why some warnings may appear. Country of residence, contact details, usual country of residence. So I select India, closest office to Australia, applicant's current location. So let's say you are in Melbourne. So I'll select Melbourne. Residential address where you are now. So I'll just select Australia, state territory, Victoria. Telephone number with no space. So I'm just mobile number I'm writing. Postal same message. I'm not sure if I can bypass these. Ah, address. Suburb, postal code. 4 digit only. Wow. Do you have a representative? I select no. Next. Non-accompanying family. You should definitely enter if because everyone has family, right? Like parents and all. But in this, you can see in the relationship to the applicant all these details. So definitely provide this information. This is just a sample video, so that's why I select no and I'm going to the next stage. But definitely provide. Does the applicant intend to Australia on more than one occasion? Study while in Australia? The dates of interview each occasion after first interview. I select no. Give reason. You need to do as per your case. Or you can give no also if that applies to you. Study while in Australia. Contacts in Australia. Relatives, friends, or contacts. If you select yes, you will be asked to provide details, of course. And if you are visiting family, definitely you need to. And even in the previous stage, family details. So as I said, like I'm doing sample, that's why some of them I'm skipping. But when you do, answer as per the question and your scenario. Current overseas employment. Employed, so it will ask for all the details where you are employed. Okay, like contact, telephone number, electronic communication, organization address, wherever you are. I'm just putting unemployed because I have to skip this. Can I skip these two? Ah, date, position. I'll just say IT. Self-funded, how much money? What funds? So I'm just putting. You have to provide as per your case, guys. Health declaration. In the past 5 years, have you lived outside their country of passport of more than 3 consecutive months? I select yeah, no. Health. I'm just putting no to all, but you read everything and then do. But a lot of health conditions are there that you should be aware of. Character declaration, same thing is related to criminality and other things. So make sure you read, understand everything, and then you answer. Don't just do blindly like me. You could get into trouble. Does the applicant held or does the applicant hold a visa to Australia in the country? I select yes. Provide the details. I'm just doing this, but you provide the details because I'm typing to extend, right? Ever been in Australia or any other country and not complied with the condition? Have they ever had a visa for Australia and the country refused or cancelled? I select no. But if you have, definitely do that. Now it's 19 declaration, and in next you will be asked to upload documents and then payment. So, and again, if it gets through, you are all good to go. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.